is our good friend Camila Alves McConaughey. Please welcome her back to the show. So we were just chit-chatting, catching up. Your husband, Matthew McConaughey, is actually taking a much-deserved break, which is great.
You know, I was supposed to be doing this big thing for the beginning of the year, and it got changed to later on in the year. So he didn't take any jobs, so I could go on the road and he can stay with the kids.
But now you're having family time.
So now
That's
we're both
amazing.
at home, which is
awesome.
great. Yeah.
Your kids must be like, whose house is this? So Camila's the founder of womenoftoday.com. Can you explain to everybody what the site does?
Yes, absolutely. So I started the site a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago or so, where the whole idea is we travel all over the world, and what I got to notice is that in a lot of different countries, you have all this community with women where they share between each other what they have learned, what got passed down to them through family. You know, when they go through hard times, they have friends and things that they really connect and share with each other.
So it's a community.
It is a community. That's the basis of the website. So when coming back to the States, I was like, I don't really see anybody doing that here and creating that platform. So that's really the fundamental part of why I started.
It's advice from women for women from around the world.
Exactly. So, and we share everything lifestyle. So it's cooking, you know, recipes, kids stuff, but we also create experiences for women, experiences that they never got a chance to do it before.
Oh, that's cool.
And the idea is this, guys, it's very important to understand this. It's not me going, hi, I'm Camila, and this is what I know how to do, and you should do it too. It's more about, this is what I have learned, what have you learned, can we all share with each other?
Love it. Yeah.